Nice. Oh! There we go. So I'm currently being surrounded by geese because they think that I'm here to feed them, because everyone else who pulls up here is typically throwing them slices of bread and stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just dealing with these guys. Oh. Nice. There we go. Right where he should have been. Gonna let him go in the shallows, so maybe he won't disrupt what I'm trying to do here. Probably still will. No. There we go. Oh, he's a fighter. Come on. Nice. That's a nice little fish. This might be the same one I caught last time. I recognize this mark right here. That's cool. No! Damn it. Somebody's fishing this too fast right now. Oh! Damn. Oh, here's another one. Oh! You broke me off. There we go. Just keep him down. Man, you had to work for this guy. Stuck him good too. Oh, he's a big one. Dang. Holy cow. I didn't realize how big this guy was. Oh. This guy's fat. He's probably a good 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Look at him. Look at where I just caught him out of. I want you to... It's like 3 inches of water. Alright, he gets a good release.